The next thing is a little-known component called starter strips. You see, the very first row of shingles on your roof plays a big part in making sure that your roof can resist strong winds. An upgrade using specially designed starter strips before you install that first row of shingles can help lock those first shingles in place and improve the wind resistance of your roof. Now, those starter strips are so important that when your Master Elite contractor uses them as part of an upgraded installation package, they can offer you bonus wind coverage up to 130 miles an hour. Well, that's a Category 3 hurricane wind speed.
Okay, well, what's the next part of the weather stopper system?
Well, now we're getting ready to install the roof shingles.
And aren't there many types?
Lots of types. There are now so many more options for homeowners than in the past. 20 years ago, most homes used plain 3-tab shingles like these, pretty familiar. But today you have choices of various architectural and designer shingles like these. Take a look. In fact, this is a lifetime designer shingle, and it's one of the fastest growing type of shingles in the industry. Real estate people say that up to 40% or more of the curb appeal of your home is created by your roof. Now, lifetime shingles are a larger investment, but you'll enjoy it more, and you'll really increase the resale value of your home.
Really?
Well, sure. When people walk up and look at your house, subconsciously, one of the first things they notice is the roof.
What else, Joanne?
Attic ventilation. Now, this is a very critical area, and it's one where most homeowners and even most roofing contractors make mistakes. It's scary. Over 90% of homes don't have enough attic ventilation.
But so what? Why should I care if there's a little moisture or hot air in my attic? And what does ventilation have to do with my roof anyway?
A lot. In the summer, if your attic space gets overheated, it can actually fry your shingles. And that's not covered by any shingle warranties. Or in the winter, if the hot, moist air from inside your home gets trapped in the cold attic, it can soak your insulation and reduce its effectiveness by as much as half. Well, even just 2% moisture drops the insulating value by about 1/3. And that means higher energy bills. In fact, moisture can even work its way into the walls, so paint and wallpaper won't stick and have to be replaced much sooner. And in the worst cases, that condensation can cause expensive structural damage and even mold growth, which can be potentially hazardous for your family. So, what would you rather do? Invest in ventilation now or deal with very expensive risks and maintenance problems later?
Joanne, I had no idea.
Most people don't, and most roofing contractors don't. So we need to get that hot, moist air out of the attic. And I especially like to use a ridge vent whenever possible. Now, this works with intake vents down at the bottom of your roof, which allow cool outside air to flow in as the moist air leaves your house. It's like breathing. Your attic needs to inhale fresh air and exhale hot, stale, moist air to be healthy.
Okay, what's the next part of this certified weather stopper system?
It's like the topping on the cake. We have to cover up that ridge vent. Certified Master Elite contractors will probably recommend a protective and distinctive hip and ridge cap shingle. It's like a frame for painting. Without it, the painting may look good, but if well chosen, it makes the painting look that much more special.
Finally, Joanne, is there anything else I should consider?
Actually, there is. Accessory paint. Jim, every roof has a number of accessories like plumbing vents and other exposed items that can detract from the finished look of your roof. Accessory paint costs so little, but it helps make those items blend in so they're less noticeable. So this upgrade is the perfect finishing touch for your new roof.
Joanne, thank you for helping us understand how we can make better roofing choices and recognize the common mistakes to avoid.
My pleasure.
Most informed buyers are very surprised to learn how much of a difference there can be between the skill levels of their local contractors. Your certified Master Elite residential contractor is a neighbor who is committed to being properly insured and licensed, professionally managed, and has a proven reputation with literally hundreds of satisfied homeowners in your community. And they worked hard to earn this certification, something that 97 out of 100 roofing contractors in your neighborhood don't even qualify for. Because of this extraordinary commitment to their customers, GAF Elk enables its Master Elite contractors to offer incredible warranty options. Most contractors offer manufacturer's warranties that only cover your shingles. And if something goes wrong with your shingles, These warranties typically cover only the labor to replace the shingles for a very limited number of years. But your Master Elite contractor can offer you warranties that essentially double the upfront coverage of the standard warranties that leave most homeowners underprotected. And they cover the entire roofing system, not just the shingles. If any product in the system fails, the entire system is covered. And they cover the labor to install replacement products during the entire life of the warranty. As part of your warranty program, your Master Elite contractor can even arrange to have a factory quality assurance representative inspect your finished roof. They'll do a complete 40-point inspection, which can help prevent problems before they happen. And these warranties are backed by GAF Elk, a $3 billion roofing manufacturer, the largest in North America. Nearly half of all the consumers choose GAF Elk for their homes. Why trust anybody else with your most valuable asset? Summing up then, we hope that this informative video will help you make a great roofing investment. Making the right choices can protect and enhance the beauty of your home, increase its resale value, and provide you with the peace of mind you deserve. Reaping these benefits requires a contractor you can depend on, with a roofing system that you can depend on, backed by a manufacturer and a warranty that you can depend on. Only your GAF Elk Certified Master Elite Residential Contractor can meet all three requirements and provide you with more. Not only your safest choice, but your best choice. I'm Jim Hartz. Thank you for watching.